Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to increase the size of your display on the REDMI Pad 2 Pro. Let's begin. Okay, so I know that this currently doesn't really seem that small, though we can clearly see that something is wrong with that search bar, but the moment we go into the settings we can see that everything is really small. Even though technically this is the tablet indeed, it's still very small. So let's bump up its size. Now, normally we would think that we would want to go into display brightness, but unfortunately we won't find anything related to the size of the screen itself. The only thing really close to it is the font. And as you can see, we have this font being currently at 90%, but having it at 100 doesn't really change anything, and having it at 200 will change too much. Just look at this. Yeah, so now everything is kind of big, but it isn't, like, it's not. We only increase the font, and still everything is very small, especially if we look at this Google search bar here. So how can we fix that? Well, let's go to the setting once again. Let's change the font settings back to 100 maybe. And now we want to go into, well, we can just scroll all the way down. We can go into additional settings. Now in additional settings, head into accessibility options, and now go from general to vision. And as you can see, we currently have the display size. Let's go there. And as you can see, currently it is set to XS, and we can bump this up to default S, or we can bump it up to default to L. And as you can see now, everything will increase in size, not only, well, actually it didn't work. Let me fix that. Oh yeah, because we have to agree right here. So let's go into check mark. And now everything is bigger, and we don't have this ugly big text option. We just have this nice zoom out almost. And now everything is looking good. As you can see, the search bar is now bigger as well. At least I think so. The text boxes and the icons are big as well. But if you want to go into default settings, you probably just want to go into your vision, display size, and switch from S, because this is the default size of everything on our screen. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.